Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for supporting me. Big up on yourself. Breaking news. People on the run come there quick and fast. I don't know, come in and shut the door. People, fresh drop. When I see me come this time of day, I don't know, say, breaking news and I can't wait till the morning to tell you know. So people, Sophie page. Sophie come out and say she wake up this morning and she see something when she try to log in her page. It says, Sophie, we need to confirm that this account belongs to you. We saw unusual activities and locked your account from the 12th of June 2025. No one will be able to something about Facebook profile or use the account until you confirm that it's you. So people, Sophie Sophie call the man next door neighbor, the drama man. So she called the drama man, and so me get it, and so me I say it, and then tell the drama man what was going on. So the drama man tell her so she need her ID. But them a say a planka people. The planka them take down her page. But me no understand, because I don't really know so much about Facebook. But to me it sounds like me hear people have said them ask for ID and stuff like that lately. So it might be that them just want to make sure say she is the person behind the page, yeah, because it don't sound like the page gone. It sound like them just locked it for now until she come up with some ID. So then so she call one other woman, one spice woman will have a sell spice or something. She and I was on the beach the other day. She call her and tell her. So the woman said the Jamaican people, them wicked. Them take down Sophie page. Them wicked. So, me I think to myself, Sophie do so much something on social media. So, we don't know if some kind of copyright something, because she put out something that Facebook sent her recently. And somebody was saying you need to private those videos. Because Sophie no understand Facebook. So she no know say maybe if she don't private things, it might affect her account. So and that may I say, but everything these people blame the planka them, what a way the planka them so powerful. Them can't just keep taking on people page, so really? So yeah. So the woman say that the people them Jamaican Facebook people are set out wicked, and I'm sure some of you of your payday is coming soon. Granny says the longest live will see the most. So she has said that she did give Sophie advice to start put up people picture and also them content and all that, but Sophie no listen. Yeah, but people, me didn't want to say this. Me no know Sophie manage, because she can't go on Facebook, but she can go on YouTube because she have a YouTube account. But Sophie is very, very needy and very lonely. Yes, people. Me see Sophie the other day with the same woman, the Caribbean flavor, whatever she said she did, flavor spice or whatever, pan the beach, down at Brighton. Yeah? You go down at Brighton, me see her pan the beach with the lady. And me I wonder who this lady, I never see her before. So then me get to find out say this individual. So she had tell Sophie, Sophie I said me 53 and me look good. So she had said to Sophie, when you're 70 you go there on Facebook I get trouble. So me I think say this woman, yeah. I said Sophie is a troublemaker. So as we get it, so she say Sophie's a troublemaker at the same. And but me I say, you look like this woman. I look one boss. I want come up off Sophie, and Sophie no get for her bus, her truck, or even get pan the bus. But still, people know Sophie on the media streets, cause you know she gives so much trouble. Everybody know her. Yeah. So that mean I think say look like say this a woman I try fi get knowings of Sophie because she actually go upon go with Sophie on her birthday. Sophie dey on the media in the morning. Then when she don't have Brighton, me thinking, hey, oh sad. Sad bad. But why me thought when it sound pitiful is when Sophia say she don't like a lot of people wish her happy birthday and she call out the name them. All of the people them that she attack on social media, you know, that she always say nasty things about them. One day Sophia lose if she lose the school completely because me can't believe say she don't want them people that fi shout her out on her birthday. So the woman said to her, say, she fi stop trouble dimes and she should stop trouble people. And Sophia say, and then, you know, the day attack me here completely all of it because I was there and there for a good while. So anyway, no. Yesterday morning, Mrs. Sophie and Sophie start on the man. England, the baker man of England, she talk about she gone back in down memory lane. And I talk about the man of England and so on and her job and how she did lose her job because of XYZ. So people, me go back go listen to the dead. And she say she only go on people platform and she say certain things and anything on social media. She can't say this and she can say that. She only did say Lady V store is very untidy because she know about stores. But no, Lady V store look alright. And Dimes, she did tell Dimes her eyebrows never look good. And a bag of things. I'm thinking, what planet is this? Is Sophie on? Because you are going to people's yard, go trouble them, and say certain things, and you feel say, you know, it's okay to say the things the way you say it. And that me I think say, the way you say it, and you know, go bash Dimes brand. But if you see something, you go say it. But you know, bash our brand before, you know, say things about our brand. So, I don't know, so she look like so she never change up the program. But then the page gone missing. So, I don't know, she have to now show her ID because it look like they just lock the page. Maybe it could be even somebody else try to steal the page because sometimes you have the Indian and try to thief the page too. So, I don't know, but Sophie is one pity party because on your birthday, you go out with a good friend, your children, not a social media friend. Yeah, I don't even think she know this woman too good, but I may say, in my opinion, I feel like this woman here, I try to get some knowings on social media, so Sophie, she link up. Them link up at Brighton. Anyway, people, let's move on now. So, people, the drama man. Let's touch upon the drama man. So, the drama man, every minute he come up on him platform, him and Sophie, and my ears can't hit grass. Me can't sleep at night because every minute them out, they run out and them a go on, da. People, me say, it's just too much now. But anyway, people, me say, it look like he get a rotted lick. And that me I go say he get a rotted lick. He get a pill that he can't swallow. And it upset him. Come out twice in one day. we talk about it and then keep going on about the same thing like a scratch record. So him and the camp people them, I said the lady say about him in a pampers in a one corner, a dude up and a peep up himself, and you know she didn't call no name, but him take the shades and him a run with it for him, because you know people them always them that them referred to as him. But me now say the lady is right to say so. Listen to be good. Me now say she right to say so now. But at the end of the day, how much time you go keep licking and cussing the lady and saying the most awful things about her, and then when you get a rotted lick, you can't take it, and you say she's a humanitarian or whatever Tyrian, so she shouldn't be saying so. But people, let's be fair now. Everybody have feelings on this social media space. And if people just are lick you so, and you know say nothing, what a Christian you would be? Just a carry the cross so and not say nothing. But anyway, yeah, him says alright for him, but you know alright for her for do it. Really? After the way you wish death, you go up under a skirt and you behave badly. No, sir, people, that mild, because at the end of the day, you say, you know, we are pampers and, you know, pee and DD up yourself, so you shouldn't even bother to take that shade there, you know, really. Me wouldn't take it, because if me know, say, me can get up and go to the toilet and me can pee and wee, and me know, I know pampers and nobody not change me pampers, I wouldn't take it on. And that me I go say, but me hear the talk like them over there, the biggest hypocrite them on the social media space. Them say everybody a hypocrite, you know, but them is the biggest one going. Because let's go down memory lane. I know them me did hear last year, Bob take to him platform and him say him hope, say the man kidney pack up. Yeah, I saw you did say, you say you hope him kidney pack up, because he mean say him have problems. You know, he was worried about something and this, that he might have to have dialysis. And you say you hope him kidney pack up because he mean a cuss out Laura and Michelle cuss him off on Laura platform, and Laura never tell him to stop. And she take out picture, I show when him a go down at the shop with him on him crutches, and also, yeah, she do all kind of skit and say stand up and clap. Yeah, me remember them something there. So who know can come and talk about how people wicked and how people they take him money and know say him was like that. Did people know say him was like that? Let's be honest. This man going like he was some rich man in England. I send him money down there. As if when he go down at the shop, the lady find out say him was say him had some issues. So them can't come with them something there when I'm trying to paint a picture and trying to paint the picture to make things look worse than it is. I'm not, as I say, I'm not saying it's right, but even a man of God, I go look back in some way or form if people just ride them so. And that me I go say, them people there, them feel say they can't do the most, but as soon as people say one word and fling one stone and they lick them ball out. But them for trouble people and nobody for trouble them. No, so make it make sense. Because last year, him apologized to everybody in the media space. And he was a pastor and him a preach. And then this year now, he gone back on the same side he mean there on the year before. And I run round and them you know, I suppose they just want ally, you know, because I always have to have a group of them, all the group of them are go along, then can bring down the individual. So anybody, even the weakest link, them are go take. And that me I go say that these people are something else. And as for Sophie, you must understand social media, Facebook policies and guidelines, because you feel say you can put up every content over there and do the most and disrespect people, and you don't think you understand the meaning of disrespect. And people, when people tell you, listen, and then when your page gets strike or something happen on your page, you run like an endless chicken, because you don't know how to rectify it. So, you need to take heed, because how much time now your ball out the page missing? How much time now? A whole heap of time, if I can remember. So, yeah, if people strike your page come down, you build another page, and then I don't know if you get it back or what one, but you need to take heed now, man. Yeah, you do enough, man. Take heed. Anyway, people are just that me come for tell the breaking news. Say, Sophie page gone in a Sammy mouth, and them say a planka people then responsible for it. Yeah. Anyway, please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.